Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm in Alpe d'Huez at the moment, just been skiing for the first time and I made it out alive, which was very, very good. So, got an important business message from here in the Alps, and the message is that it's important to get the right coach, and that's important in your business and in your personal life. So if I'd have gone out there when I've never skied before and tried to go down the mountain, I would have fallen straight on my face, broken my arms and legs, and probably been in an ambulance right now. But I decided that I would use an expert to give me the shortcut, because working with that expert allows me to find out exactly the right strategies to get there. Yes, I could have tried to learn how to do that myself, but it just wouldn't really work. And also I decided to have a one-to-one lesson. So obviously you can have a group session, but you're not going to get that attention that you need. And if you want to get the result faster, it's worth paying that little bit extra to get that one-on-one attention. And that's why I'm actually here. I'm working one-to-one with my inner circle client and helping them achieve fantastic results with their Facebook marketing. And by working one-to-one with them, it's more expensive for them, but they're not looking at the cost, they're looking at the result that they're going to achieve, and that's important for them to get that result as quickly as they can. So in your business you need to get coaches and you need to get people that can help you, that have got shortcuts that can help your business. So I hope you find that useful. Below this video there's a couple of things that you can do right now. One is to grab a ticket to Success Mastery, and Success Mastery is our flagship event. It's already, we've got over 50 tickets gone, which is really great, and the room only holds 150 people. So in the description here, click on the link and grab your complimentary ticket. We would love to see you at Success Mastery. Also, if you're looking to be an expert at Facebook advertising, and that's something you should be doing, I've got a free PDF guide that you can grab right now. It's 73 of the best Facebook adverts. Click on the link below and grab that guide as well. So thanks for watching. I'm off out now for some lunch and off for some to ski again tomorrow. Cheers guys, bye bye.